Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm Biren, and today I'm going to take you back to a very special day in my life. My first meeting with friends at college. You know that feeling when you walk into a place full of strangers, hoping to find just one familiar face. That was me on my first day. Nervous, excited, and honestly, a little scared. But what happened next completely changed everything. So grab a cup of chai or coffee, sit back, and let me tell you how a few simple conversations turned into lifelong friendships. And why that day still makes me smile. Let's begin story. The memory of my first meeting with my college friends is something I will never forget. It was the beginning of a new chapter in my life, a chapter filled with hope, curiosity, fear, and endless possibilities. I had just completed my school life, and like every other student, I was stepping into a world I had only heard about, college. The first day started with butterflies in my stomach. I woke up early, dressed carefully in my best clothes, and left home with mixed emotions. My parents smiled and wished me luck, but I could sense the nervousness in their eyes too. As I walked through the college gates, I looked around at the tall buildings, green lawns, and crowds of students laughing, talking, and walking with confidence. I felt like a small fish in a big pond. I reached my classroom and stood at the entrance for a few seconds, scanning the faces around me. Everyone seemed to be strangers, new, unknown, unfamiliar. I quietly took a seat in the second row and opened my notebook, pretending to be calm, though my heart was racing. I wondered who would sit beside me, whether I would be able to talk to anyone, and if I would ever make real friends here. After a few minutes, a guy came and sat next to me. He turned to me with a friendly smile and said, "Hi, I'm Rohan. First year." I smiled back and replied, "Yes, I'm Biren." That was the first step, a simple conversation that would soon lead to a meaningful friendship. We started talking about where we were from, which school we had studied in, and why we chose this college. Our conversation flowed naturally. Soon, another student turned around and joined us. Her name was Anjali, energetic, cheerful, and full of confidence. She cracked a joke about how confusing the building map was, and we all laughed. Within the next 30 minutes, two more students, Vikram and Priya, joined our conversation. All five of us were from different cities, different backgrounds, but somehow we connected instantly. It felt as though destiny had brought us together at the right moment. Our first lecture began, and we sat together, listening attentively but also stealing glances at one another with smiles and silent laughs. It felt like school again, but also very different. The teachers seemed friendly, the topics were new, and the atmosphere was more open. I realized that I was no longer a child. College was going to shape me into a young adult. After the lectures, we decided to explore the college campus together. We walked through the library, the science block, the auditorium, and finally landed in the canteen, a lively place full of students chatting, eating, and enjoying themselves. We ordered samosas, tea, and cold drinks. As we sat at one of the round tables, our conversation deepened. We talked about our goals, our hobbies, and even our fears. That lunch break turned into a bonding session. Anjali talked about her love for dance, Vikram shared that he was a football player, and Priya admitted that she was shy but loved painting. I told them I loved writing and music. We laughed, shared our social media handles, and took our first selfie together, a moment I still have saved on my phone. As the day came to an end, we walked out of college with a strange feeling of happiness and belonging. We had entered the day as strangers and were leaving as friends. Before parting ways, we promised to meet again the next morning and even made a plan to go to the park over the weekend. That first meeting taught me a lot. It showed me that friendship can begin with just a smile and a hello. It reminded me that no matter how nervous or alone we feel, there are always people around us who feel the same way. And when we take that one step forward, magical things can happen. From that day on, we became inseparable. We attended every lecture together, celebrated each other's birthdays, helped one another during exams, and supported each other through difficult times. Our group became a family, and it all began on that very first day of college. Now, whenever I look back at that day, I smile. Because the first meeting with my college friends wasn't just the start of a friendship, it was the beginning of a journey filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable memories. And that was how I met my first friends at college. It's funny how one small conversation, one smile, can lead to friendships that last a lifetime. That day taught me that sometimes, the best things in life begin when you step out of your comfort zone. So if you're starting college soon, or any new chapter in life, don't be afraid to say hi first. You never know who might become a part of your story. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or it reminded you of your own first day experience, hit the like button and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your story too, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life moments and personal stories every week. Until next time, stay kind, stay curious, and keep creating memories. Bye.